Tina Portis here with Creative Internet Authority, and we're a digital marketing company that specializes in video production and promotion for lawyers. So I want to talk today as a food for thought about you, your name. When people look for you online, what will they find? Now, many of us do not go online to look for a law firm. We go online to look for a lawyer. And if all of your business comes from word of mouth, which 95% of attorneys tell me that, tell me this. When someone is referred to you, don't you think that they're going to Google your name? That's right. So as an example, I had a call yesterday and someone said, I looked you up and my goodness, girl, she said, you had hundreds of videos online. And I'll tell you what, you look at my name, and again, I put the information in, Tina Portis. And I'm actually in a private browser, and you'll see here my Facebook page is showing up. I do own my full name. That shows up. Images show up for me. My YouTube channel shows up. My Twitter shows up. An old Twitter shows up. I teach on a platform called Udemy. My LinkedIn is showing up. I've written best-selling books. They show up. Interviews, they show up. Now let's skip past here and let's go ahead and look at the related searches. Okay, I am in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, people are looking for my husband. I had 100 podcasts on Blog Talk Radio. Look again, YouTube, my Instagram. So again, what will people find when they look for you? You can see here my domain for my company. Again, my about.me. When I've been on the TV stations. Okay, so again, this is where I actually have information online, another podcast. This is actually where I coach. So again, an interview with my husband and I is online, another interview that I've done. So you want to think about another interview. This is from Tori Johnson's Spark and Hustle. You want to think about what are people going to look for. So I'm going to do a quick example here. This is an attorney that we work for. So I'm not even going to type it all in. You see it's coming up for me. And I'll tell you, sometimes you want to make sure that some people are looking for an EY for his name instead of AY, okay? You want to actually, well, I'm not going to give that tip away. Maybe if you sign up for our newsletter, I'll give that tip away. So I'm going to just look up this attorney, okay? And they're asking me, hey, did you mean something different? But his Twitter's showing up, Avo's showing up, the firm information showing up, Facebook's going to show up, LinkedIn, your LinkedIn profile needs to be optimized. It's going to show up. Guess what? His YouTube channel is showing up. Okay, so this is information that's important. Now, in terms of images, okay, there's a football player. So it's really important for him to have a lot of information out online so that he's ranking, okay? And look at the related searches that are coming up, okay? You want the related searches. You want to be sure that you're looking at these related searches. What are people going to find when they look for you in terms of videos, okay? So again, you want that channel to make sure it's showing up. And this attorney, again, is showing up. So I just want to make sure that you know what's showing up for you online, and even in terms of if someone messes up the spelling of your name. Now, there is a tip around that. There is something that you can do. But again, if you sign up, maybe I'll share it with you. All right, so again, I'm putting information in. Google's putting it in for me, but look what shows up. YouTube right here at the top, 435,000 results. YouTube right here at the top. What are people going to do? They're on their mobile phones. They're going to go over to YouTube, okay? So make sure that you have video as part of your strategy with your name so that when people are looking for you, they know where they can find you online. I'm going to leave you with a quick quote. I was talking with someone recently and they know what I do. And they said, you know, it's great that attorneys have videos because, and this is their quote, attorneys are quirky people and watching a video before you meet with them helps you feel more comfortable with them. So again, food for thought when people are looking for you, what will they find? I encourage you to do a quick Google search on your name so that you can be sure that the information that they find out online is information that you would be proud of. I'll see you in the next video.